Hello, and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Kamek from the Mario movie. Let's start with the center of the page. We're going to draw one of the glasses first. Right around here, let's go with the oval. Like so. And then we want to add a little bit of the brim of the glasses right next to it. Let's give the glass a little thickness. With that done, we could draw in the nose, following this line right around here to the left. Let's go down, like so. And then for the mouth, let's add in a little notch right here. And then connect the nose to the mouth. And once you're done with that step, add in a little tooth. And then to finish off the mouth, we're going to continue right below the nose and connect it to this edge right here. And let's add a little bit of a tongue and the inside of the mouth. Now, since we have the mouth done, let's try on the other side of the glasses. Following this size, we want to do an oval around the same size. Like so. And now we have both glasses in. Let's draw in the hood. Let's start over here and go above the glasses, all the way above and all the way down. And then draw a line for the bottom of the white of the hood, following the contour, and connect. A little line right here. Kamek has a really tall hood, so let's draw that in. We're gonna draw a line like this, and then right from the glasses right here, we wanna go straight up to this point, curve, and back down. Like so. And let's finish up the head, draw a little bit of the cheek, and let's connect it to the mouth. Right around here to complete his head. And then he needs 2 little nostrils. 1, 2. With his head done, let's move over to the rest of the body. It's really simple. Let's go for the center of the tongue right here. Around here, go down. And then 1, 2, 3 lines like that. And once you're done with that line, we're gonna swoop up, almost like like 1/4 of a circle, and then let's swoop the other side, and it's almost like a bowl. And this is gonna be the foot. And we just need to add a little bit of the bottom foot, a little notch, and then continuing this, we could draw in the rest of his robe across. And on the right side of his head, right around here, let's add a little dot and a dot to the right. And we're gonna connect the 2 dots. And this will give us the top of their sleeve. Now let's do the bottom real quick. And then let's do the white part of the sleeve, which is gonna be connecting it like a rectangular shape. So rectangular shape to complete the sleeve. And let's draw the little hand for Kamek. He needs a little thumb first. Let's do a little thumb. Gonna swoop. And then for the finger, it's gonna be 1, 2 notches and 1 big notch above. Let's do 2 more notches for 2 more fingers, like so. And he has a little claws, so we just 1, 2, 3, 4 little claws on the tip of his fingers. And then since the hand is done, we just need to finish the robe a little bit in the back. 1, 2. And these bumps are gonna indicate where the folds are. So going from the little bumps, we're gonna swoop in each side, and then we're gonna actually create really cool little folds on his robe by swooping in like so. Add a little bit more. And Kamek is missing his other arm and where the wand is going to be. Let's actually start off with the little robe right around here, the center of glasses. We're gonna go straight up like so. And where his nose is, we're gonna go straight across it down. Before we do that, let's add in a little bit of the wand before we continue. Let's start rearranging the wand right above here, around here. We're gonna start off with the top of the wand with the little dome. And then connect the bottom like so. And then we're gonna layer in a little donut for the wand and a little bowl like so. And from this point, we just need to go down around here. And this is where we're gonna draw in the hand that's holding the wand. We're gonna start off with the thumb by going down like that, and a little bit above, and then we need 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and each finger needs a little claw, like so. And then let's continue the wand down to connect. And since the hand is in the robe, we're gonna just draw in a little loop like that and draw in some of the white on this side now for the other side like so. And we're almost done. I think this is pretty much it. Let's clean up the lines just a little bit, and now we just need to add some color. All right, we got some nice colors for us to work with today, and mainly we're gonna start off with the main blue for his outfit. Let's start off, let's see if we can add in some highlights first. And then we want to just color in all the blue areas, which is gonna be the hat, the robe, and that's pretty much it for the blue areas on Kamek. Trying to color the outside first before we go into the inside, but you could start from the inside out. So far, which was your favorite Mario character in the new Mario movie? I really like Luigi in this movie. He was super fun to watch, but both brothers were pretty funny. All right, we're going through this pretty quick. That was a really nice, smooth shape. The blue done, let's just try to add some shadowing with the darker blue. You can do this by laying out where the neck is, just a little bit of shadowing. And maybe in between the folds. Looking good. Now let's draw in the yellow, which is gonna be where his hands and face is. Let's see, let's get most of the face in, and this hand. And the wand is actually also yellow, so we could color in that also. Oops, went out a little bit, but that's totally fine. And let's do the bottom of the shoe. And let's do some shadowing with another yellow marker. Just a little bit of that. Now we have pink, and this is going to be mainly for the tongue. And then we have red for the shoe and the wand and the rest of the mouth. Little trick for the wand, we're going to add a little bit of highlight first to make it look really shiny before we color it in. And then the same thing for the shoe. And for the mouth, we could just color in the inside. Finally, we're missing some gray for the glasses. Let's just color the outside like so. And maybe we could use a really light blue to color in the glasses. That's looking really good. And there you have it. Kamek from the new Super Mario's movie. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for any other characters, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.